SMART goal is a tool for setting goals effectively, helping individuals or organizations establish clear, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound objectives. Each letter in the SMART represents a crucial aspect of a well-defined goal. Being specific involves defining a precise objective that addresses the who, the what, the where, the when, and the why. Measurable means creating metrics to track progress and determine goal completion. Achievable requires setting realistic goals that match available resources and capabilities. Relevant ensures that the goal aligns with broader objectives or personal aspirations. Time-bound stresses the importance of setting a deadline for goal attainment, fostering urgency and the drive.